If you want to know how you can turn on NFC, or if you want to check if NFC is working or not on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step process on how to do that. Now, NFC is already enabled on all iPhones, but if you want to check if NFC is working or not on your iPhone, first of all, just open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Just go to the app library and in the search bar, just search this. And if you cannot find the Shortcuts app on your iPhone, you can download it from your App Store. Just go to the App Store, then in the search bar, just search this. And install Shortcuts from here. Then tap on Open, and from here, just tap on Automation at the bottom of the screen. Tap on New Automation, and from here, just search this. Then tap on NFC and tap on Scan. And from here, you can hold your iPhone near an NFC tag or any device which uses NFC, so you can check if the NFC is working or not. And this is how you can turn on NFC on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.